Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to World Class Knowledge by LM. Here in this video we will discuss about how to write a grade presses for CSS examination and other type of examination. So let's get started. Mainly there are three prerequisites of presses writing, or you can say that there are three most important things that you must have to keep in mind before writing a good presses. The first one is that your presses must have precision in it. Your presses must be precise. The second one is that your presses must have exactness. Your presses must be exact. The third one is that your presses must be coherent. Your presses must have coherency in it. Now let's move on general tips of presses writing. Presses writing is the first question of the subjective part, as we know. It follows the sequence of English composition and presses paper, so grammar knows that you don't lack self-confidence. Spend almost 1 hour on this section. Be confident. The problem in presses writing are sometimes difficult vocabulary. So you must have to improve your vocabulary day by day, and don't be panic. Mainly there are two main meanings of difficult words. The first one is lexical meaning, which means exact meaning out of dictionary. The second one is contextual meaning, which means the word according to context in which it is used. Contextual meaning can be understood from the former sentence in which it is used or later. ये याद रखें कि वर्ड इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं होता, पोजीशन ऑफ वर्ड इम्पोर्टेंट होती है. आप प्रेसेस की प्रैक्टिस करना किसी भी बुक से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. आई रिकमेंड स्टैंडर्ड पंजाब टेक्स्ट बुक एंड लेटर विद पास्ट पेपर्स. नाउ we will move on step-by-step guidance of presses writing. For first time, read the passage slowly in order to grasp or understand the overall idea. Only 15 to 20% meaning will be understand at this time when you just read the passage slowly. In the second reading, highlight certain points. Points are divided into two categories. These are R's, means facts and figures. R's not explanations and details. You are given 20% permission to use word as they are. These are facts and figures. Highlight them. In a normal passage of 300 to 400 words, you will be able to find 8 or 10 or 12 words or points. On a fresh page, write down a heading, points for the presses, and enlist all the points in your own words in a chronological order. Chronological order means in a listed order. On the next page, make a heading rough draft with the help of connectors, transitional phrases. Write down all the points you wrote on the previous page in a single whole paragraph. Then, count the word of original passage and the one in your rough draft. Relaxation of 10 words is given by the examiner so that you do not miss out of the important points. Don't try to be over efficient and avail this opportunity. Then start editing your rough draft and apply one word substitution or other techniques where applicable. Then on our fresh page, make a heading need draft. Write down the material left after editing your rough draft. You need to write down your need draft within 105 to 112 or 110 words. If the original passage is 300, follow 1/3 rule. यानी अगर आपका जो ओरिजिनल पैसेज है वो 300 वर्ड्स का है, तो आपको 105 से 110 वर्ड्स लिखने होंगे। 1/3 रूल को अपने जहन में अच्छी तरह से बिठा लें। Using a black marker, write down the words in the original passage is equal to 300 words on a separate line. On the next, write down required number of words is equal to 100 words. On the next, words in the passage is 108. This is just a sample. मैंने सिर्फ सैम्पल के तौर पे आपको बताया है कि अगर 300 वर्ड्स हों तो आप इस तरह अपने पैसेज को अरेंज कर सकते हैं। Title giving can be done by either giving points of the passage, read and come up with a title, or figure out through the topic sentence which is either written in the first sentence or in the concluding one. जो आपको आइडिया होना चाहिए कि टाइटल जो है वो या तो वो शुरू वाले पैराग्राफ में लिखते हैं या एंड वाले पैराग्राफ में लिखते हैं। अब यहाँ पे मेन बात क्या है कि टाइटल कैसे लिखें। इन अ फ्रेज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इज़ वन ऑफ द रीज़न बिहाइंड क्राइम, या तो आप फ्रेज में लिख सकते हैं या लाइक द टॉपिक ऑफ एन ऐसे, कोई भी टॉपिक हो सकता है उस तरीके से आप लिख लें, लाइक दिस अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट अ कॉज बिहाइंड क्राइम। टाइटल को या तो आप फ्रेज की सूरत में लिख सकते हैं या जिस तरह ऐसे का टॉपिक होता है उसके अकॉर्डिंग लिख सकते हैं। एट द एंड, go back to the portion where you wrote points of the passage and rough draft and put a cross using a black marker. The whole point of this exercise is to make the examiner see that you have followed a proper structure while attempting passage. Then your examiner will be impressed, inshallah. So keep working hard in order to achieve your goals. You will definitely get the fruit of your struggle. Thank you. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you have any question, do let me know in comment section. Thank you again. Allah.